Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
And how are you today?
Good morning.
Okay. Before we start, I will introduce myself. My name is Nurbulan Sari, as your teacher today. So today we will study about grammar, especially simple present tense. Do you know what is simple present tense? Do you know?
No.
So simple present tense is tense used to express habit, general truth, or daily activity. And there are two types of simple present tense. First is verbal sentence, and the second is nominal sentence. Bagaimana cara membedakan verbal dan nominal? Jadi verbal itu ditandai dengan penggunaan kata kerja pertama atau verb one. Sedangkan yang nominal dia ditandai dengan penggunaan to be. To be apa saja yang digunakan dalam nominal, yaitu am, is, are. Untuk lebih paham lagi, kita masuk ke contohnya. Nah, untuk contoh pertama, pada verbal sentence, she goes to school. Pada verbal sentence, kita menggunakan kata kerja pertama, yaitu goes. Kenapa bukan go? Ada yang tahu? Ya, karena subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal. Jadi kalau subjeknya dia Ayu Dewi, dia kata kerjanya tidak ditambahkan dengan s atau is, hanya digunakan pada orang ketiga tunggal. Untuk yang nominal, contohnya itu he is a doctor. Jadi dia di situ menggunakan to be is karena subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal. Sedangkan untuk I itu to be-nya dia menggunakan am, sedangkan Ayu Dewi dia menggunakan are. Selain ini kan untuk positif, untuk negatifnya Pada nominal sentence, dia ada penambahan not untuk pembuatan kalimat negatifnya. He is not a doctor. Notnya itu disimpan setelah auxiliary verb-nya. Kemudian untuk yang verbal, dia menggunakan to do, yaitu does, karena subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal. Kalau yang menggunakan do, dia yang subjeknya Ayu Dewi. Kemudian yang ketiga itu ada interrogative sentence atau kalimat tanya. Untuk interrogative sentence-nya, auxiliary verb-nya itu diletakkan di awal. Jadi seperti ini. Untuk interrogative sentence-nya, auxiliary verb-nya itu diletakkan di awal. Jadi dia, is he a doctor? Apakah dia seorang dokter? Sedangkan yang verbal sentence, does she go to school? Apakah dia pergi ke sekolah? Any question? Also, you understand from this material?
Yes.
Okay. To understand better, we will practice this material into a game called Showdown. Before we play the game, I will explain first the rules of this game. First, the first rule is, first we will make a team or a group. Jadi kita akan membuat kelompok. Dalam satu kelompok itu berisi 5 orang dan ada 3 kelompok. Setelah itu, I will choose one of the student each team to be the first showdown captain. Jadi setelah kita buat kelompok, saya akan menunjuk satu orang di setiap kelompok untuk menjadi showdown kaptennya. Nah, showdown kaptennya di sini yang akan membacakan soalnya. After the showdown captain read the question, all of team or all of the student in the group will answer the question. Jadi setelah showdown kaptennya membacakan soalnya, semua student, semua orang yang ada dalam kelompok akan diberikan waktu 15 detik untuk menjawab pertanyaannya itu. Dijawabnya itu dengan cara ditulis di kertas. Ditulis di kertas. Setelah waktunya habis dan semua sudah menjawab, the showdown captain will say showdown. Showdown captain itu akan bilang showdown. Setelah showdown captainnya bilang showdown, semua anggota kelompok langsung show memperlihatkan jawabannya secara bersamaan. If the answer is correct, kalau jawabannya benar, you will celebrate. Kalian akan merayakan dengan cara bertepuk tangan. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now we will play the game. Do you want I choose your group or kalian mau pilih sendiri?
Yes.
Pilihkan or pilih sendiri? Okay. So, saya yang akan bagikan kelompoknya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are the first group, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are the second group, and 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, now please make a circle. Sekarang tolong buat lingkaran sesuai kelompok 3. This is the question card for the first group.
The next one is
So now I will choose the children captain each team. For the first group, the children captain is Suji. For the second group, the children captain is Laili. And the third group, the children captain is Ian. Give me this. Hi.
hello.
Okay, now you can play the game in 3, 2, 1. Start.
Say blah blah blah. Our submit assignment is A plus B is C do D R.
In the library after the morning
Please repeat the question, please. A does, B is, C do, D are. G
blah 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 in the library after her morning class.
the
A study,
A
B
does,
studies,
B
study,
is,
B study.
C do, D are.
Sabar,
Asyam. Anunya, soalnya. A blah 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 not submit the assignment on time.
So,
Correct answer
is
B.
These books, blah blah blah, available in the campus library. A is D M C R D B. Sheldon. Sheldon, please. Sheldon. The answer is incorrect. No, car. Yes.
she blah 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 in the library after her morning class. I repeat. She blah 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 in the library after her morning class.
My
In
friend in
study, B studies,
The same
C
teacher.
study,
answer
and
is
D study. I repeat. She blah 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 in the library in the library after her morning class. A study, B studies, C study, and D study.
My friend in blah blah blah. The same teacher. A is choices. B is choice. C is choice.
Okay, Shabda.
D is choice. Okay. Sheldon. The answer is
The answer is
correct. Journals every week.
A. Do.
The answer
B. Does.
to
C. Is.
does.
D.
C is
Are.
and
Can
D
you repeat
are.
please?
I repeat.
Blah blah blah.
Blah.
Here is academic journals every week. B. Does.
C is
C.
and
Is.
D are.
D. Are. Show them. The answer is correct.
Question is C blah 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 in the library after her morning class. A. Study, B. Studies, C. Studied, and the last studying. The question is C blah 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 in the library after her morning class. B. Studies, C. Studied, and the last of C. B. Studying. Show them. The answer is correct. The question is C blah 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 in the library after the morning class. B. Studies, C. Studied, and the last of C. B. Studying. Show them. The answer is correct. We are finished. Okay,
Are you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Okay. Before we close this class, I will say thank you because you are here follow this class and play this game. I hope this material will be useful for you all. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi